I had a stroke when I was 58, approximately 3 years ago now. Spent 11 weeks in the Queen Elizabeth. It affected my left side. When I came out of hospital, I was referred to the CST team, the community stroke team. They got me sort of walking and doing different exercises in the house what I could do myself. But I was waiting to find out when the outpatients physio was about to start, and I'd heard about you guys in the hospital, and then it was after sort of I'd finished the outpatients physio, and I thought, I need to fine tune things. I know I'm not quite there yet. I know it's a long journey, and that's when I contacted you guys, and I get Cassie. She explained one of the things which is important for anyone, even not had a stroke, when they get older, is balance, so that you can react as you get older, your balance is not as good, like no. So, and she identified really, she says, I think your balance is good, but it's not quite, it could be better, and that's what we worked on a lot initially, like no, which was great, you know, sort of thing. And my balance is better now. It's confidence that I could do it, you know, sort of thing. It's just like when I have the sessions, it's what I explained to Cassie one day. And I had this with the physio in the hospital. You connect with trust. If Cassie had said to me, you can do somersaults all the way the length of this room, I would know I could do it because she knows my limitations and I know my limitations, but the confidence that she gives to me is, it works for me, you know, certainly might not work for everyone, certainly, but it works for me, you know, so that's, I think a stroke survivor needs that sort of connection. There's things that Cassie will get me to do in certain sessions that, and maybe weeks down the line, I'm like, I can do that now. One of them's when I'm lying on my side and I bring my left leg up and I'm circling it, you know. First I couldn't do it at all, wasn't moving at all, you know, so, and now I can do it. I can do it no bother, you know. You need to keep motivated, you need to want it. It will be a long journey, certainly, like, you know, so, but you've just got to keep on doing what the physios tell you to do. It might not happen overnight, but you have to just keep on sort of focusing on your recovery. You guys get results, you know, sort of thing, and I'm living proof.